All right, so the recording has started, Phyllis. Now, first and foremost, welcome. And just in case you guys are not aware, the one together with me now is Phyllis Tang. She's actually one of my recently graduated students. I think you have already graduated about 2 weeks. Am I right? 2 to 3
Yes.
weeks? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Right.
so Phyllis, how did you initially get to find me on Facebook?
Okay, Ben, I actually has been thinking to do a business online for a very long time, and I have buy many products online and offline, but no matter how hard I try, I just felt that I was not guided properly. There are tons of videos, there are tons of notes to read, and it seems that I am not going into the right direction. So I was like hoping somebody can teach me, and where got such a person willing to do this coaching. So as I was on the Facebook, I saw you and you have been writing some of the articles, and I read, and I was like quite amazed. So I just messenger you, hoping to get something from you. Probably there's a course going on, but I didn't expect you are doing one-to-one coaching. Wow, I tell you, after you're interviewing me, straight away I go into it, because I feel I need someone to really coach me, because I'm not a very tech savvy a person. So when you go into anything, any back end of autoresponder lah, click funnel or anything, you will just feel too afraid to click without somebody. Even Facebook advertising, everybody tell you just like that. You go in already, how come a bit different? You dare to do already.
Okay.
So that's why I was searching for many years, and at last I found you, and luckily I took up the course, which is in mid of probably November. I graduated in mid of December, and during this coaching, I think I have started to follow your method and follow your advice, and as I go along, I do my homework. I really into it, and then wow, not bad leh. The result really comes. It was
That's good.
I know sometimes as I go on the class, I also feel a little bit demoralized, because I don't know you also, and you don't know me. We've meet the first time, So I feel, don't know whether I'm taking a risk or not, and I just say that I hope this is going to be true, and this is going to be what I want for many years, and this is what I want. That I always heard guru saying, make money while you sleep. Wow, like them shook like that. So that's why I was hoping the day will come, and really, true enough, after your coaching, it really comes.
Okay, thank you. Now, but I have a next question for you, which is, during the point in time when we spoke, right, what makes you trust me enough to invest in the course that I could help you to succeed with affiliate marketing?
Okay, to say trust you or not is like I am taking a gamble. Okay. I'm taking a gamble, but if you are a scammer, you can scam me anytime, right? But you are on Facebook every day, you are posting something, and I've been following and reading it, and then of course I take a risk, because I don't know you well too, so I just have to trust that it will work. So I put all my faith on it, and I just go on with you lah. But it was very good session with you, because every question, everything that I cannot understand, everything that I have been in my mind, I can straight away ask you, and you answer me. Oh, no need to find out, it's not easy, right? So that's why I'm very happy. After the few sessions with you, I knew I could rely on you.
Okay, thank you.
Mm.
Now, so as a whole, how do you personally feel about this one-on-one coaching program?
I think it's really very good. Of course, when you coach me, I felt that, wow, you are spending a lot of time for me, and sometimes even overrun. So I just feel that, wow, you really put in a lot of effort and very passionate into getting your students to know what to do and make sure that the work is correct, and then it's workable, and you check the work. And this one will really make us feel very stressless already. We have no more stress because there's a teacher guiding me. So I was really happy about it, that one-to-one coaching, it really works very well for people like me. Considered not a very newbie, but still a newbie, because there's a lot of things that we didn't know what to do unless a coach tells you behind, hey, this is not right, oh, you must like that, you must click here, you must this, you must that. And then you, at the same time, you explain. So all the years I have been studying many courses, I have never studied things like what you have taught me, You get what I mean? So that is very precious to me.
Actually, just to add on to what you shared, right, Phyllis? I don't know about other coaches, but for me, the most important thing when I embark on this one-to-one coaching, and that's the reason why I also have this 30 minutes free strategy call, is because I need to pre-qualify my students. You see, because I do not want my students to invest in this coaching. End of the day, they cannot achieve what they wish to achieve because of either lack of commitment or lack of capital. Right. And I always advocate that running an affiliate marketing business is the same as running any other businesses. You need that entrepreneurial mindset. You need that capital to get things going. You see?
Yes.
I understand. To add on to what you mentioned just now about why I'm so passionate about coaching, is because I have been through as a struggling marketer myself when I first started. All right. Same like you, I purchased a lot of courses, but it makes things very difficult for me because I realized that a lot of these courses, they are not really sharing the real way to make money online. You see, they're always touching the surface, but not in depth into why I'm not making money online yet. Right. And I also attended courses whereby they have group sessions, group coachings. But again, it's not that helpful because when the group size is too big, sometimes you don't even have a chance to ask the question that you want to ask, and the session is over. Yeah, so that's the reason why I personally prefer one-to-one coaching.
Yes.
Right. Now, next will be which area of this one-to-one coaching, or rather, I would say which aspect of this coaching do you feel that has actually helped you the most?
Overall, the coaching is very good, but the techniques of how to earn money is the best, because you teach the correct way and how you get to build your list, and how you broadcast to the leads, and also the what's that called, how to track is also very important, which I never come across also. So that was the best part, because in 2 weeks I see sales, and then I know where is it from, and my autoresponder just go automatic, and that is very good, So there are a lot of things I have actually never come across during my studying, whether online or offline. It was new to me actually.
Good. So you feel that the aspect that benefited you the most is actually the techniques that actually help you to make money online.
Yes.
Right.
And it's real, it's not fake, It's real,
Excuse me. Okay. Now, Okay, just now you have also mentioned you have taken up a lot of courses online, offline, and stuff like that. So how will you compare my one-to-one coaching with all these various courses that you have taken up?
As I have mentioned to you, those offline is a big pool of people. You really have no chance to ask questions. And then they got not enough trainers to go around and teach everyone. So it is always like you never finish your work. And then you come back, you also don't know how to do the work. And then they give you video and they give you a back office where you can access. You know, you want to read one thing, you got to go through, you know, so much, you know, just to find out one simple task. Wow, you know, you tend to give up, really. So even the tuition class also is not workable also, because the class is too big. So one-to-one coaching is the best. I felt the success rate in ourselves for me is very good, because all these years, when did I ever make a single cent online or for internet marketing? This is my first time, you know. So I really do feel that one-to-one coaching is good for even newbie or even more than a newbie, because I am not actually a newbie. I have been studying for so many years, you know. I'm not actually a newbie, but it's still like a newbie, you know. So I was really happy about it, the course with you.
Okay. That's good. That's good. So personally, what sort of people do you feel would benefit the most out of my one-to-one coaching program? What sort of candidates would benefit the most?
Okay, I feel this one-to-one coaching, it benefits for all people, because let's say you are young, you want things to go fast. You don't want to go to the group and then slowly stuck, the lecturer stuck here, stuck there with the rest of the student, then you got to wait. Of course, you are young, you're very fast, but then because of the big class, you slow down. So young people can go for it. Older generation, lucky good, and even older than me, even better. So I feel that your one-to-one coaching is actually meant for all ages, depending on them, or whether they have the time or not, because some people, they may not have the time. They prefer to go for the full class, and then they just, because for yours you stretch for 1 month, but for those physical class, it's only 2 days, you know, and finish already. So I feel that even if it's 1 month, it's really worth the time.
Okay. So last 2 questions. Now, how confident are you that you will be able to earn a profit, you know, after implementing everything, after implementing everything that you actually learned from me during the one-to-one coaching?
I'm very confident. I just have to follow what you tell me. Build up your list. After your list, you got 1,002 lists already. Those those who open your email, and then they read your email, and then I could have easily make a $3,000 a month. For now, I already have for a start 2 weeks, I already have 1,000 plus income already. So I believe that when the list grow, definitely the income will come.
Yeah, definitely. So it's something that I always share with my students, including yourself, which is never stop building your list. All right. Or I would say never stop building your responsive email list.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
And one thing is, you mentioned just now that in a matter of 2 weeks, you have already earned 1,000 plus. And take into consideration, this is actually the festive season. And usually during festive season, our sales as affiliate marketers are usually, you know, a little bit lower compared to the rest of the months. Right. So with that, congratulations on your 1,000 plus in the matter of 2 weeks. I believe that if this is not the festive season, you should be seeing actually a few $100s more, or even $1,000 more. All right.
Yes.
Now, lastly, do you have any key takeaways that you have for anybody who is still on the fence thinking whether they should really invest into this one-to-one coaching or not? Any key takeaways that you have for these people?
I feel they should quickly jump into it so that they you
Okay.
know, this is a very good example already. I'm an auntie leh. And then I quickly jump into it, and so fast. Within a month, 2 weeks, in fact, I can see income coming. Then why wait? Why wait? This is the best, the one-to-one coaching. I think you can't find another person like you, so passionate and so eager to let the students to have result and make sure they do a proper work. I think there isn't one like that leh. Luckily, I found you. So why, if they see my video and if they are still thinking, then I don't know whether they think I'm not saying the truth, but I can assure it's the truth from me.
Okay. So thank you very much, Phyllis, for this short interview session. And
sorry, I didn't prepare anything. It's just come out from my heart.
It's good. You see, I purposely do not want to release any questions to you beforehand because I want it to be genuine. I want it to be authentic.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
it has to be something that really comes from your heart. Yeah. All right. So thank you very much, Phyllis.
Thank you.